this moment of truth. We are going to harvest the Maris Pipers. It's start of October. They went in April time. Not very hopeful, to be honest, because the weather was crap. Let's see. The bag does feel heavy. Right. Wow. What is that? Okay. Okay. So, looks good on the bottom, actually. Looks very good. I think some good size ones. These were Maris's. So, pretty sure Maris's aren't like that. Right, it's not actually a lot there, is there? Considering it's a 40-litre bag. Yeah. Considering it's a 40-litre bag, probably could have done with some more earthing up. Because those were right at the bottom. And that's why it looked so good. So that's how much we got, probably just over a kilo. Yeah, it's not brilliant. Not brilliant at all. So I reckon it's the same in there as well. Some decent sized ones though, to be fair, but considering I think that might have been 3 seed potatoes. A lot of soil. Okay. Yeah. Whew. Alright, so there's some more in there. So there we go, like I say, probably about 3 kilos in these. More soil than actual spuds. But still, for potato growing after ages, not too bad. I'm alright with that. That's 2 bags, 40 litres each. I think there's 3 seed potatoes in that one. Yeah, it's not great, but it'll be alright. Just weighed them up. 2.4 kilos. 2.4 kilos for what? 4 seed potatoes, 80 litres of compost. Not really great, is it? 2.4 kilos of Maris Pipers. There we go. But there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags to harvest as well. So, see how it goes.